Make sure that the signal strength of the channels you are missing is strong enough to be received by your TV. You can do this by going to the TV's menu and selecting Channels, then Channel List or Auto Program. Check the signal strength of each channel and see if any are too weak or not available. If you're missing channels, try rescanning for channels to see if they can be found again. Go to the TV's menu and select Channels, then Channel List or Auto Program. Select Start or Scan to search for available channels. If you're using a cable box or antenna, make sure that the cables are connected properly and securely. Check for any damaged or loose cables that could be causing the issue. Make sure that your TV's software is up to date. Go to the TV's menu and select Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Select Update now to check for any available updates. If none of the above steps work, try resetting the TV to its factory settings. Go to the TV's menu and select Settings, then Support, then Self-Diagnosis, then Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the TV. Try connecting the RF connection to your other TV and check if it works. If some channels are still missing or you don't get any channels, then the issue lies with the antenna or cable. Try connecting your TV to a different cable connection and follow the auto program procedure. If you get all your channels, then the issue lies with the cable. Next, try moving or rotating the antenna to improve the signal strength. Afterward, follow the auto program procedure and you'll get all your missing channels back. Grab your Samsung remote, navigate to the home page. Next, use the search bar and start finding the channel. After that, select a channel you want to add. Once done, save your changes and start watching the channel you've added.